Good morning, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous class, I taught you what a sentence is and what are its kinds. Today, I am going to discuss with you the topic subject and predicate. We must know that a sentence is made up of two essential parts, namely subject and predicate. Means we can find both the subject and the predicate in a sentence. Let us know what we mean by subject and predicate. The person or thing who or that is talked about in a sentence is known as subject. We must know that the person who is being talked about in a sentence or the thing that is talked about in a sentence is called as subjects. The part of sentence that explains what a subject is or what a subject does in a sentence is called its predicate. Let me repeat. The part of sentence that explains what a subject is or what a subject does in a particular sentence is called its predicate. Remember that a sentence can possess or can have the subject as a noun, a pronoun, an infinitive, gerund, or a clause. Let's have a look on the following sentences. The weather is pleasant. They are playing cricket. To waste time is detrimental. Detrimental means harmful. Dear students, we must focus on enhancing our vocabulary also. Smoking is injurious to health. What he said is untrue. The underlined words in all the sentences, for example, the weather in first, they in second, to waste time in third, smoking in fourth, and what he said in fifth. This part means the underlined words are working as the subjects of these sentences. We must remember that it is written, it is also requisite to remember that the determiner, adjective, and possessive or participles used before a subject cannot be separated from it. Here the word requisite is written. It means required, it means indispensable, it means inevitable. It is also necessary to remember to know that a determiner, adjective, possessive, or participles used before a subject cannot be separated. For example, a few students were present in the class. A few students is the subject of this particular sentence. Here, a we used it as indefinite article and few is used as numeral determiner. So both are used here. They cannot be separated from the subject students. The underlined part is subject. In second example, a running horse was seen in the field yesterday. Here a an article, indefinite article, and running has been used as adjective. It is first form with ing, and when first form with ing is used as an adjective, it is called present participle. So a running horse, it is adding to the meaning of the horse. A broken chair cannot be used. A broken chair cannot be used. Or again article, broken is past participle. It is third form, but here it is used as an adjective. A broken chair, because it is telling us something about the chair. It is adding to the meaning of the chair. So it is an adjective and it cannot be separated from the word chair. Your decision was right. Your is possessive adjective, so it cannot also be separated from the word decision. Your decision is the subject of this particular sentence. Now let's know the position of a subject. Subject is used before a word, but sometimes we must keep it in mind that it can be used somewhere else. For example, Ram is brilliant. Here it is used before the verb, but where are you working? Here you is subject, but it is used before the main verb. There goes the bus. What goes there? The bus. So subject is bus and it is used in the end of the sentence. Gone are the days. In this also, gone are the days. The days, what are gone? The days. So it is the subject. And lastly, in the heart of the forest lived a saint or farmer. It means who lived in the heart of the forest, a saint or farmer. So it is also subject and it is used in the last of the sentence. How to recognize a subject is the main question. Students are asked to identify the subject and predicate in a given sentence. So we can recognize a subject by asking question to the verb using what or who according to the situation. The man in blue dress helped me. So we can ask a question, who helped me? The man in blue dress is the answer. So it is the subject that is used in this particular sentence. Next, watching too much TV is bad. So we can ask a question to is, what is bad? The answer will be watching too much TV. So this is the subject. Her mother is a teacher. So he is a teacher. Her mother. We can apply the same rule in the sentences we have already read. The weather is pleasant. So what is pleasant? The weather. They are playing cricket. So who are playing cricket? They. What is detrimental? To waste time. What is injurious to health? Smoking. And what is untrue? What he said. So we can identify a subject by asking a question to the verb. Now it is time to know how to identify the predicate in a given sentence. The predicate part in a sentence always begins with a helping verb or a main verb. We know that helping verbs are is, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, or any modal can be used as helping verb. So the teacher teaches English. The teacher teaches English. Teaches is the verb. So from this part it is predicate. We must follow the traffic rules. We is the subject. Must follow the rule. The traffic rules is its predicate. He left the college at the age of 25. So left is the main verb. From this point to the last it is the predicate of the given sentence. We need to keep it in mind that if there is an object in the predicate part, it is of two types. We must know. For example, the teacher teaches us English. The teacher teaches us English. Here us and English both are object in this particular sentence. So we can know the type of object by asking question. Let us do that. The teacher teaches what? English. The teacher teaches what? English. And the teacher teaches English to whom? Us. So the answer of what in a given sentence is always a direct subject, and the answer of whom in a sentence is an indirect subject. We can also remember by knowing that a direct subject is used for non-living things, and indirect subject is used for living beings. There may also be complement. Complement means to complete. That means the words that are needed complete to have a complete meaning of the given expression. Subject complement and object complement. Subject complement means when there are words that are telling us about subject, that are completing the meaning of subject, is called subject complement. And when there is any word that is completing the meaning of an object, that is object complement. Let's have a look on the following sentences. He seems tired. He seems tired. So tired is telling us about the subject, so it is subject complement. She is beautiful. Again, beautiful word is telling us about she. That is the subject of this particular sentence. The match was interesting. So again, interesting is telling us about the word match, which is the subject of this sentence. Object complement. The teacher elected him monitor. The teacher elected him what? Monitor. So here this word monitor is the complement for object him. I found him sleeping. Here I found him sleeping. This word sleeping is telling us about him, and him in this sentence is working as an object. She found the question complicated. Again, she found the question complicated. Here the word complicated is telling us about the type of question she solved. I hope after watching this video you will be able to know what subject and predicate are, and you will definitely identify them from a given sentence. Keep watching videos and keep learning. God bless you all. Thank you.